Construction equipment refers to heavy-duty vehicles, specially designed for executing construction tasks, most frequently ones involving earthwork operations. Construction equipment for building construction and construction machinery used in construction projects. They are also known as heavy machines, heavy trucks, construction equipment, engineering equipment, heavy vehicles, or heavy hydraulics. Proper use of appropriate equipment contributes to the economy, quality, safety, speed, and timely completion of the project. Construction equipment is an important part of any construction process. It is not always desirable or possible for the contractor to own each and every type of construction equipment required for the project. The basic operations involved in the construction of any project are excavation, digging of large quantities of earth, moving them to fairly long distances, placement, compacting, leveling, dozing, grading, hauling, etc. Construction equipment is generally categorized into earth-moving equipment, construction vehicles, material handling equipment, other construction equipment, earth-moving equipment used to carry out the various excavation tasks such as digging and moving the earth. Different types of earth-moving equipment have their unique applications and used mainly for repairing, constructing, elevating, agriculture, and demolition. Following are the earth-moving equipment mostly used in construction projects. 1. Excavators. Excavators are popular earth-moving vehicles that feature a bucket, arm, rotating cab, and movable tracks. These components provide superior digging power and mobility, allowing this heavy equipment to perform a variety of functions, from digging trenches and breaking holes to lifting away waste and excavating mines. 2. Backhoe. A backhoe, also called a rear actor or back actor, is a type of excavating equipment, or digger, consisting of a digging bucket on the end of a two-part articulated arm. It is typically mounted on the back of a tractor or front loader, the latter forming a backhoe loader. 3. Loaders. A loader is a heavy equipment machine used in construction to move aside or load materials such as asphalt, demolition debris, dirt, snow, feed, gravel, logs, raw minerals, recycled material, rock, sand, wood chips, etc. into or onto another type of machinery, such as a dump truck, conveyor belt, feed hopper, or railroad car. There are many types of loader, which, depending on design and application, are called by various names, including bucket loader, front-end loader, payloader, scoop, shovel, skip loader, wheel loader, or skid steer. 4. Bulldozers. A bulldozer is a large and heavy tractor equipped with a substantial metal plate used to push large quantities of soil, sand, rubble, or other such material during construction or conversion work, and typically equipped at the rear with a claw-like device to loosen densely compacted materials. 5. Skid steer loaders. A skid loader, skid steer loader, or skid steer is a small, rigid frame, engine-powered machine with lift arms that can attach to a wide variety of labor-saving tools or attachments. Skid steer loaders are typically four-wheel vehicles with the wheels mechanically locked in synchronization on each side, and where the left side drive wheels can be driven independently of the right side drive wheels. The wheels typically have no separate steering mechanism and hold a fixed straight alignment on the body of the machine. 6. Trenchers. A trencher is a piece of construction equipment used to dig trenches, especially for laying pipes or electrical cables, for installing drainage, or in preparation for trench warfare. Trenchers may range in size from walk-behind models to attachments for a skid loader or tractor, to very heavy equipment. 7. Motor graders. A grader, also commonly referred to as a road grader or a motor grader, is a construction machine with a long blade used to create a flat surface during the grading process. 8. Motor scrapers. In civil engineering, a motor scraper or wheeled tractor scraper is a piece of heavy equipment used for earth moving. The scraper can transport its load to the fill area where the blade is raised. The back panel of the hopper, or the ejector, is hydraulically pushed forward and the soil or clay load tumbles out. 9. Crawler loaders. Crawler loaders are heavy-duty earth-moving machines that give you the big power of a dozer and the heavy loading and lifting power. 10. Wheeled loading shovel. Wheeled loading shovel is a vehicle attached with shovel designed to perform heavy-duty tasks in earthwork and construction operations. This shovel has specific capabilities to accomplish the loading tasks. Depending upon various sizes, tasks, and design requirements, This wheeled loader is furnished as skid steer, payloader, bucket loader, skip loader, and wheel loader. It is used to transport materials from one place to another. It is equipped with a front-mounted bucket, which is supported by a boom structure. For lifting, it loads the material into the bucket by the forward motion of the machine. After lifting the material, it transports the materials to its respective destination. Construction vehicles. 1. Dumpers. A dumper is a vehicle designed for carrying bulk material, often on building sites. Dumpers are distinguished from dump trucks by configuration. A dumper is usually an open four-wheeled vehicle with the load skip in front of the driver, while a dump truck has its cab in front of the load. 2. Tippers. A dump truck, known also as a dumper truck or tipper truck, is used for taking dumps for construction as well as coal. A tipper is a heavy-duty truck chassis fitted with an open-top body, used for carrying aggregate, crushed rock, soil and other bulk materials to and from construction sites. 3. Trailers. A trailer is an unpowered vehicle towed by a powered vehicle. It is commonly used for the transport of goods and materials. Sometimes recreational vehicles, travel trailers, or mobile homes with limited living facilities where people can camp or stay have been referred to as trailers. Material handling equipment. 1. Cranes. A crane is a type of machine, generally equipped with a hoist rope, wire ropes, or chains, and sheaves, that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. It is mainly used for lifting heavy things and transporting them to other places. 2. Conveyors. A conveyor system is a common piece of mechanical handling equipment that moves materials from one location to another. Conveyors are especially useful in applications involving the transport of heavy or bulky materials. 3. Forklifts. A forklift is a powered industrial truck used to lift and move materials over short distances. The forklift was developed in the early 20th century by various companies, including Clark, which made transmissions, and Yale and Town Manufacturing, which made hoists. 4. Hoists. A hoist is a device used for lifting or lowering a load by means of a drum or lift wheel around which rope or chain wraps. It may be manually operated, electrically or pneumatically driven, and may use chain, fiber, or wire rope as its lifting medium. Construction equipment. 1. Tunneling and handling equipment. Tunneling equipment. Conveyor systems provide an efficient, reliable, cost-effective, and lower-risk method of removing muck and spoil from tunneling excavation sites. This equipment is specifically engineered to smoothly handle the transport of materials from the tunnel excavation site to the surface and beyond. 2. Concrete mixers. A concrete mixer, often commonly called a cement mixer, is a device that homogeneously combines cement, aggregates such as sand or gravel, and water to form concrete. A typical concrete mixer uses a revolving drum to mix the components. For smaller volume works, portable concrete mixers are often used so that the concrete can be made at the construction site, giving the workers ample time to use the concrete before it hardens. 3. Road-making machines. These are the various machines used in the construction road. Though they are available in varying sizes to be applicable in small as well as large construction sites, they are generally considered to be heavy-duty equipment. 4. Road rollers. A road roller is a compactor-type engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, or asphalt in the construction of roads and foundations. Similar rollers are used also at landfills or in agriculture. Road rollers are frequently referred to as steamrollers, regardless of their method of propulsion. 5. Hot mix plants. The asphalt plants or asphalt mixing plant is one plant that is used for mixing the dry warm aggregate, padding, and asphalt for homogeneous mixture at the required temperature. And it is widely used to the construction of highway, city road, and parking lot. 6. Stone crushers. A crusher is a machine designed to reduce large rocks into smaller rocks, gravel, sand, or rock dust. Crushers may be used to reduce the size, or change the form, of waste materials so they can be more easily disposed of or recycled, or to reduce the size of a solid mix of raw materials, as in rock ore, so that pieces of different composition can be differentiated. Crushing is the process of transferring a force amplified by mechanical advantage through a material made of molecules that bond together more strongly, and resist deformation more, than those in the material being crushed do. 7. Slurry seal machines. Slurry seal is a cold mix paving system that can remedy a broad range of problems on streets, airfields, parking lots, and driveways. The principal materials used to create slurry are aggregate, asphalt emulsion, and fillers, which are mixed together according to a laboratory's mixed design formula. 8. Heavy-duty pumps. Slurry pump. A slurry pump is a type of pump designed for pumping liquid containing solid particles. Slurry pumps change in design and construction to adjust to multiple types of slurry which vary in concentration of solids, size of solid particles, the shape of solid particles, and composition of the solution. Slurry pumps are more robust than liquid pumps. They have added sacrificial material and replaceable wear parts to withstand wear due to abrasion. Thanks for watching. This is AEM Fabers Construction Private Limited for you, drafting your dreams, crafting your curiosity.